Think your food safety testing is foolproof? Think again. Without proper proficiency testing, you might be risking non-compliance and costly recalls. Stay ahead of the game with our deep dive into SQF proficiency testing requirements. My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. If you are new to us, welcome to our channel, where we break down the critical components of food safety and SQF compliance. Today, we're focusing on proficiency testing, a key element in ensuring your testing processes are accurate and reliable. First, let's define proficiency testing. It's an evaluation process where your laboratory's performance is assessed by comparing its testing results with pre-established standards or those from inter-laboratory comparisons. This ensures that your lab produces accurate and consistent results, which is vital for SQF certification. So, why is proficiency testing crucial? In the high-stakes world of food safety, there's no room for error. Proficiency testing verifies that your analytical methods are effective and your lab personnel are qualified. It's a cornerstone of quality assurance in identifying and preventing potential issues before they escalate. When should you perform proficiency testing? Ideally, it should be conducted on a regular basis, such as annually, or whenever you're introducing new methods or equipment to validate their accuracy. Additionally, anytime you notice inconsistencies in results or after personnel changes, it's wise to conduct proficiency testing immediately. Now, what should you look for in a proficiency testing program? Ensure it covers all test methods relevant to your products, and that the program is recognized and accredited by appropriate third-party bodies. Reliable and thorough data analysis is also critical for identifying any discrepancies in your processes. With proficiency testing, the key to success is precision, and that's where expert guidance comes in. Don't leave it to chance. Partnering with an SQF consultant can help you navigate the complexities of proficiency testing and avoid costly errors down the line. Ready to fortify your food safety strategy? Let our seasoned SQF consultants lead you toward compliance and excellence. Book a strategy call with us today at 123-651-32488 to secure the peace of mind your business deserves. Stay tuned to our channel for more insights. Like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's build a safer, smarter food industry for everyone.